Hey guys, we're super pumped to bring you something we've never done before. We're bringing you a prototype. That's right, never before seen footage of something that's not even on the market yet. It's the MVC, multi-vehicle carrier with engineered beam. Let's go take a look. One of the key differences in this prototype MVC is the engineered beam frame. For many years, the MVC has been built using traditional C-channel material, which is big, heavy, and inefficient. We took the engineered beam technology that we use on our F-Max series trailers and integrated it into the MVC to make it lighter and stronger. Another really cool feature of this next generation MVC is the standard torsion suspension. Now what we're looking at here is two 10,000-pound torsion axles on a 60-inch spread. The 60-inch spread will be standard no matter what tandem setup you get. That will help distribute weight onto the tow vehicle much more efficiently. The next generation MVC features a punch plate flooring tie-down system. The system allows you to use E-track attachments to tie down over the wheels and tires. You'll also have rubber on stake pockets standard if you need to tie down bulkier cargo. There'll be several different flooring options as well. You can have a full floor or shown here as the outside runners only. Let's talk tail configuration. Depending on the type of vehicles you plan to haul, we'll have two options for you to choose from. Number one is like you see here with the 3-foot dove and 3-foot max ramp combination, or number two, we'll have a long swept dove with 8-foot slide-in ramps. Thanks for joining us on this prototype walk around. Make sure to comment your thoughts on the next generation MVC below. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest news and videos, and we'll see you on the road.